Okay, here we have the RDS. I have it enclosed in a small unit. That white little screw there is the RDS level, and in here are the RCA sockets. Now, from your transmitter, you want to have this cable, which is the RCA from your transmitter, which is just the one MPX cable going to the output. So we'll just plug that in there. And the other one is for audio in, which I don't really need right now. Now, we have this tuned to 97.3, 97.2. As you'll see now, the RDS will appear with testing. So first we'll show you this. I'm gonna plug this transmitter in. It's going to go to lock. Now that's locked. Now we have the RDS. Plug this in, and then we go back to the RDS display, and there you are. You just send your audio, which is one cable of your two cables, from your stereo mixer so just one of your cables will go into that, and there is a filter loop through that loops the signal sound through this and back out from that cable back into your transmitter, which then goes out through your VHF cable, your PL259 socket that's connected to your coax, and that goes out on air. Now it's easily picked up here because it's exactly in the same room, and the way to change that is just to go to your computer and plug it in via one of your USB cables, which I have here. Which plugs in to the back here. That's an adapter specially made because you have a standard COM connection. Some computers have it, some don't. I'm using a Dell which does not have it, so I had to get a special adapter with a USB on the end of it. USB female, so I can plug a male into my laptop or PC. I'll just show you how it's done. Let me get rid of this first. There, you see we have, where do we have down here. Just click on that and she will pop open. Now it's giving me a warning to say that there's nothing there because I don't have it connected. And up here is your connection where you're going to connect it. You just hit connect, and your PS is your pro. See, I have PGR test in the PI name. It's the PS station name. Then you can have scrolling. And once you have done all that, you just go to your communications and you save right there. I don't want to save it because I've already done it. I don't want to change anything. Once you have saved it, you just disconnect your USB and unplug the RDS encoder. Hook it up the way I just showed it to you, and that's what you get. Well, where are we going? Problem. Another thing with the RDS, you don't want to have this up too high for a simple reason. It can cause interference. So once you see the name pop up, this will be down at the very bottom. There'll be no signal, there'll be no name. You just twist it until you see the name come up on the radio. Twist a tiny little bit more and leave it at that. And then you have your RDS set up perfect.